Hi guys, welcome to my video on reshaping of arrays. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is import numpy as np as usual. Then what we're going to do is we're going to create an array called grid, and it's going to be an array from 1 to 9. So we're going to run that, and there's our array from 1 to 9. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get into the reshaping function. It's grid.reshape and then whatever type of array you want. Since we have 9 elements, you want it to be a 3 by 3 array. The size of the initial array must match the size of the reshaped array. Otherwise, it'll give you an error. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 by 3, still 9 elements. So next what we're going to do is take our array x, which is just an array of 3 values, 1, 2, 3. And what we're going to do is we're going to reshape that into a row vector. So what this is going to do is it's going to create an array inside of an array, which is your row vector. Next, what we're going to do is np.newAxis, which is essentially doing the same thing, just using a different function. Same thing, array inside of an array. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to reshape it to 3 rows by 1 column, which is going to be our column vector. So 1, 2, 3 inside of an array. And lastly, what we're going to do is np.newAxis again, except this time it's in the column slot. Remember, first one is rows, second one is columns. So it's going to make that new axis the column axis instead of it being the row axis. This one's the row axis, this one's the column axis. So it should look like this, 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's all we have for reshaping of arrays. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing,